Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. NZD USD offered below 0.6700 amid mixed catalysts. http ntvforex.com News ID F9084E 0123 GMT by Anil Panchal. NZD USD respects downbeat New Zealand data to stretch pullback from 0.6668. New Zealand SN's business confidence, activity outlook marked dismal figures for July. US dollar bounces off two-year low during the post-Fed consolidation. Aussie trade numbers, building permits, and US GDP decorate Thursday's calendar. NZD USD fails to extend the previous day's upside momentum while taking offers near 0.6660, down 0.10% on a day, during Thursday's Asian session. The Kiwi pair's latest drop takes clues from the downbeat readings of the Australia and New Zealand banking group SN's sentiment gauges. Also weighing on the quote is the US dollar's pullback from the lowest since June 2018. ANZ's business confidence slipped below 29.8 forecast to 31.8, whereas activity outlook slumped below 6.8% market consensus to 8.9% for July. Earlier during the day, New Zealand building permits grew beyond 0.0%, expected to 0.5% in June. The US dollar index DXY retraces from Wednesday's low of 93.17, also the lowest since June 14, 2018, to 93.40, up 0.15% on a day, by the press time. The greenback's gauge versus the major currencies recently gained bids as traders seem to cover their short positions piled after the previous day's bearish message from the US Federal Reserve Fed. Additionally, worsening coronavirus COVID-19 conditions in New Zealand's largest customer Australia also negatively affects the New Zealand dollar NZD. As per the latest update, Victoria marks the record 723 virus cases with 13 deaths on Wednesday. The Pacific major witnessed Queensland's ban of entry of Victorians from Saturday on the previous day. Furthermore, the US push to recall domestic firms from Asia highlights the Sino-American tussle and adds weakness onto the commodity-linked currency pair. Against this backdrop, US 10-year Treasury yields linger below 0.58% with S&P 500 futures marking mild losses by the press time. At home, New Zealand's NZX 50 gained 0.83% while taking tops from Japan's Nikkei 225 and Australia's ASX 200. Looking forward, Aussie's second-tier data may entertain the pair traders ahead of the key US GDP figures, expected 35.1% versus 5.0%. Technical analysis. Only if the pair slips below the one-month-old ascending trend line, currently around 0.6630, sellers can aim for July 9 top near 0.6600. Until then, 0.6700 remains on the bulls' radars. Additional important levels. Overview. Today last price 0.6665. Today daily change 5 pips. Today daily change percent 0.07%. Today daily open 0.667. Trends. Daily SMA 20 0.6588. Daily SMA 50 0.6464. Daily SMA 100 0.6229. Daily SMA 200 0.6354. Levels. Previous daily high 0.668. Previous daily low 0.664. Previous weekly high 0.6691. Previous weekly low 0.6538. Previous monthly high 0.6585. Previous monthly low 0.6186. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 0.6665. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 0.6655. Daily Pivot Point S1. 0.6647. Daily pivot point S2. 0.6623. Daily pivot point S3. 0.6606. Daily pivot point R1. 0.6687. Daily pivot point R2. 0.6704. Daily pivot point R3. 0.6728. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.